Hi everyone, I'm Chad Shoop with Automatic Profits Alert, and today I want to talk about whether or not you should reinvest your gains. Now, we're at the end of the year, and hopefully all of your portfolios have grown an enormous amount throughout the year, and you're looking into 2018 wondering whether or not you should reinvest those gains. Now, this is going to be different for each one of you, and depending on your specific situation, where you are in life, the answer may or may not be yes, you need to reinvest. But a general rule of thumb is that you absolutely want to reinvest those gains. And that's because the key to growing your wealth over any significant time frame, let's say if you have 10, 20, maybe 30 years that you can keep your money invested in the market and that you don't really plan on taking it out to live off of or anything like that, then you must reinvest those gains. And that's because as you reinvest those gains, you're building your nest egg larger and larger over time. And that's the key to growing your wealth. By compounding those returns, compounding your gains on top of gains, you can end up with a massive portfolio when it's all said and done. Now, if you're only a few years from retirement, or if you are in retirement, then reinvesting your gains may not be for you. You might want to set your money to the side and keep it there so that way you can use it for any expenses that may come up or use it to live off of. So, in general rule of thumb is that yes, you want to reinvest those gains. Now, it's also different depending on the strategy that you're using. So no matter what strategy you use, you still want to reinvest your gains, but the way you reinvest them, it may be different. So if you're using stocks, that's pretty simple. You can pretty much roll your gains over every year and just reallocate amongst whatever amount of trades you're trying to make and just kind of keep going from there. And you can keep it pretty simple. You don't have to overcomplicate that. But if you invest in options, well, if you've ever invested in options, then you know you can see massive gains of 100%, 200% in just a few days or a few weeks. But you know those gains can come really fast. And then a lot of people want to know if they can take that 200% gain and that whole capital that they had in that position and just roll it over into the next trade that comes. And the answer is no. You don't want to do that. You want to take that capital. You still want to roll it over. You still want to invest those gains if you're in the path to reinvest your gains. But you want to spread it out amongst several options trades, not just one or two. And that's because as fast as those gains can come, losses can come just as quick. With an option, you can lose all the capital that you invested in the trade in just a matter of days or weeks as well. So you want to spread that capital amongst 3 to 4 trades, so that way if you have one that goes south on you, you have 3 or 4 other ones that can help make up that loss, and you're not mad because you just lost that whole initial capital plus the 200% gain that you made on a trade before. So a general rule of thumb is yes, you want to reinvest your gains, but it depends on where you are and your investment strategies and everything that you are using. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, be sure to like our page, subscribe to us, and keep following us. And until next time, this is Chad Shoop with Automatic Profits Alert.